What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are gonna talk about the option called property not as is described on Vrbo. First, I'm gonna show you how to use it, and second, if you're an owner, I'm gonna show you how to solve that problem, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So for the guest feature, when your property significantly differs from the listing, you should follow these steps. First, contact the host to make them aware of your concerns, and complaints can be immediately resolved if the host is aware of the issue. Also report the issue to them, to Vrbo support, which I already made a video on how to contact within 24 hours from check-in so that they are aware, and you can write a review. Reviews are visible to other guests, provide helpful feedback on property, and give hosts the chance to respond. Reviews are particularly helpful for complaints about poor conditions or other mismatches between the property and experience. If you're unable to reach the host during your stay, select Contact Us to contact customer care. So if you're a homeowner, how to solve this issue? So if it's a realistic situation, if the guest basically found the property not as described, make sure to help them if it's not your fault. Maybe something happened, maybe there was a leak or something else. Go and try to help them as much as you can. That's the first option. So then the second one is if they are wrong and the property is as described, make sure to give the evidence to Vrbo and explain that the guest is not right, basically. But basically, if the guest complaint is on place, and basically if it's true, try to help them out. If that complaint goes, if the bad review goes, you cannot do anything to delete that review, or basically you can just make your place the best as you can and hope that it gets new reservations and new good reviews. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process. Hopefully this video was helpful too, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.